In today's video, how to fix Gmail not receiving email issue. Gmail is connected to other Google services like Google Drive and Google Photos. If your storage is full, you won't be able to receive or send emails. Just open your browser and go to one.google.com, sign in with your Google account, tap on 3 lines at the top right, select storage to see your storage usage. If you're close to 100 gigabytes, you need to free up space. Delete any unnecessary files from Google Drive, Photos, or Gmail. Alternatively, you can buy more storage by clicking Get More Storage and choosing plan that suits your needs. Also, ensure your Gmail account is properly synced on your device. Go to Settings, scroll down Accounts or Accounts and Backup, tap on Google or Gmail, and make sure Gmail account is listed and synced is enabled. Toggle it off and then back on to refresh sync. If the above steps doesn't work, try resetting Gmail. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and find Gmail, tap on and select Offload App. Then clear cache and clear data. This will free up storage and reset without deleting your data. After offloading or installing app from the App Store or Google Play Store, if the problem persists, ensure you have stable internet connection and make sure you have latest version of Gmail installed. Sometimes emails may be automatically filtered or forwarded to another address. Check your Gmail settings.